It's insanely hot right now in LA. It's like 100 degrees right now. Yeah, I'm working on the Miata a little bit today before I get tired of this, but just want to spend a little bit of time just so I can get this slowly but surely done. But I tried putting the header back in with the new header with the mid pipe or down pipe, whatever you guys want to call it. I saw that it was hitting the transmission here, so I just banged the heat shield in a little bit with a hammer to hopefully not like kind of notch it. So I'm trying to be able to make this so it can come in and out really easily with just one person without that many fitment issues, because the original one, or the OEM, or with the stock cat, that was a pain in the ass to remove. It's really hot right now. I'm not talking very well. So yeah, I'm gonna just get back to this. Okay, so hitting the heat shield with a hammer worked. And now the Miata, I was able to get the header in with barely any fitment or contact between the transmission and the frame of the car. So now the header slides in and out pretty smoothly. I'm really happy about that because I never want to go through what we went through with C-Will pulling I can't talk. It's too hot for this. But I don't want to go through that again, so I'm stoked on being able to pull it in and out very easily. Okay, just to satisfy my own curiosity, I'm going to start the car right now. So it's going to be only the header and the downpipe. The mid pipe, the catback, the catalytic converter is not connected. So it's just like the header and then maybe 2 feet of really small diameter piping. But I'm very curious to know what this car sounds like. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So I had to take an Uber from my house to my grandparents' house. So now I'm in the Evo and now I'm heading to my friend Nick's shop to pick up my transmission jack, because this weekend we're gonna be dropping the transmission on the Miata to do the clutch. I need to have the flywheel resurfaced, and then there's a bunch of other things. I'll kind of go over the parts list on what's going on with the Miata over the next couple days, but hopefully I'll be able to get it back on the road very soon. Oh, hey. Smells like an old boat in here.
Well, that's because there's a running, well, somewhat running Miata here. That's why. You can see all the cages, the race seat and everything. Yeah. It just needs to be all welded in.
Dang. Is it registered?
No, it's non-op now.
Okay.
It's been non-op for a while now. But...
Is it smog legal? Do you know?
Huh?
Is it smog legal?
No, it's completely stock car for now.
Huh. Does it run?
Yeah.
Why are you not driving this around on the street?
Because it's non-op.
Well, why don't you?
So I don't have to pay for registration. It's been non-op for like 4 years.
Yeah, why don't you register it?
It was registered. So right there we have roll cage that needs to be built.
Well, since getting home, I kind of just went straight into working on the Miata. I didn't really film it because I don't think it's that interesting, but got the mid pipe off, got the drive shaft out. The transmission is draining right now. And then actually I think I'm going to be able to drop the transmission tonight, and then tomorrow I'll be able to take the flywheel, hopefully get it machined somewhere, and then start reassembly with the new clutch once the flywheel is done from the machine shop. And then also new radiator hoses are coming in. I have a rear main seal to do alongside the clutch. I have a new intake from K&N coming in tomorrow that I'll be able to put on as well. Replacing some of the other vacuum lines around the engine bay. And then yeah, that pretty much covers and then yeah, I think that pretty much covers it. So in total, the car is getting an intake, various gaskets, and it has an NV2 header now. That's about it as far as performance upgrades. Everything else is just maintenance or like required stuff to make those parts work with the car. Like the reason I had to take the mid pipe out was because I actually have to take that to a shop, and then, so this is the primary catalytic converter. I have to have an O2 bung welded behind it, and then I can reuse one of the other O2 bungs that's already on the car, but I can either extend the wires or get like an extension kit, which I actually already ordered, which should be here soon. And then, yeah, everything was mostly plug and play. The only like fabrication is the one O2 sensor that needs to be drilled out and welded on.